Phoenix party. Had a little Phoenix party. Alright, YouTube, back again with another one. Y'all see what's going on. If y'all can't, I'm gonna try to show y'all. Y'all know this is that ultimate Cash shine. Y'all know Cash love black. So show y'all something. Get up on here. Some back to black. Oh yeah, we cooking good looking. Y'all know Cash gonna take y'all on a full journey. Do me a half and half for y'all so y'all can see what the paint correction going on. What that look like. Today just gonna be the exterior. We're not gonna do nothing. Get some back to black. Get this here. Fix this up. And yeah. So y'all stay tuned, man. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all see that. Cash gotta fix that. So I'm gonna do a 50-50 and I'm gonna be at this angle and I'm gonna show you all the 50-50. But first step first, y'all know what Cash doing. I'm about to come through with some clay lube and go ahead and handle business. I done put my clay lube in my bottle, in my bucket already. Surface prep. Prep the surface after I do the clay. Should be ready for the paint correction. So Cash about to go on and get that, man. I'll be back. Y'all know how we going. We groovy, baby. So after just the clay and some Grills Garage surface prep, this is how she's looking. So y'all know Cash don't like to show y'all an unfinished product. So this is an unfinished product. So Cash about to go on and finish working so I could get back with y'all and show y'all the 50-50 on this here bonnet. So let me groove with y'all. As y'all can see, y'all see what's going on. Gotta come through in white. Y'all see them swirls? There we go. Try to focus in. There we go. Girl, what you say? I can't see you. You blurry. You swirled up. Alright, hold on. Am I clear now? Yeah, you clear? Alright.
Built the last ever since the little trip with dad, pregnant, tag, all I had.
Gotta do this section now. Alright. So this side done. As y'all can see. And y'all know I brought some friends along by the name of Papa Cut and Fabulous Polish. Also, I got some 3D and I bought my dudes turtle wax because I'm doing some of this to the max. So yeah, man, Cash just wanted to show y'all that next side and then I'll show y'all the full side. The bonnet isn't done, it's just clean. So it look real glossy because it's clean. It's bare clean. Nothing is on it, so that's what you're getting. This is what we going for. Correction and protect it with Titan. So let Cash go on and finish with the bonnet, the other side and the rear. And I get back with you all in a minute. Look at that reflection, man.
Doing weight loss.
Right there's the line. Hope y'all can see it. Y'all can see it a little bit right there. Swirls, mooring to this right here. So as you can see, all the hazing to right there. Cash working. Let me finish working. Man, y'all see it, and y'all could kind of see the haze. There's a lot of haze, a lot of that, and Cash got it to that depth. You even see the flakes. Look at that. It was a lot of swirl hazing, as y'all seen, and bam. Somebody did a rotary and didn't know what they was doing. That's why if y'all looking for a class on how to use that rotary, Cash got y'all. Y'all know I have a video on my channel teaching you how to use the rotary and the DA. So if y'all need that, y'all know where to go. Cash got you covered. Cool Dad Car Care on YouTube. We'll be back. And there y'all have it. Another happy customer. Y'all know what went on with this. If y'all don't know, Cash gonna let y'all know. I had a little Phoenix party. Had a little Phoenix party. Had a little Phoenix party. Remember, new car specials. Come get y'all new car special. Cool Dad Car Care. Let's go. It was only just the body. Paint correction, ceramic going down in a few. Y'all know. What I'm gonna use? I might, since this is a black car, why not keep it in the black? Let's go.